The battery, motor, and electronic control system, known as the three-electric system of new energy vehicles, form the power heart that defines the driving experience. But how can the battery be made safer, the electronic control smarter, and the motor more efficient? The answer lies hidden in the lines of light. Power battery, the energy source of electric vehicles, where lasers set a new benchmark for battery safety. The drive motor determines an electric vehicle's burst of power, and laser welding gives the motor its superpower. The electronic control system is the brain of an electric vehicle. Lasers, finer than a strand of hair, command currents in the millions of amperes. The three-electric system takes the lead in safeguarding the heart safety of new energy vehicles, and intelligent laser manufacturing has become the ultimate bodyguard of the three-electric system. In the next episode, we will explore the lightweight framework of automobiles, the application of lasers in automotive lightweighting.